What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. So I decided to do a video here to kind of walk you through the picks and how I look at them and the tips and tricks that I use to trade them. All right. So first and foremost, guys, so I have my free Trading Wars golden indicators here, guys. You can get these and add these to your charts. This really helps to show the patterns. All you have to do, guys, go to this link and just click add to favorite indicators and it'll pop up. So right now, guys, I'm here on the 2-day chart for AMD. So this pattern is a very particular pattern for me. This is what I call a holy grail. So this is an outside bar followed by an inside bar. So what we're trying to do here, guys, is we're trying to set the tone for a trade. So we're trying to look for a precondition, a pattern before we even enter the trade, because we know with the pattern, we have an edge, all right? So if we go back in time here on the 2-day chart, we could see we've had some holy grails in the past on AMD, right? So the last one we had was on the 5th of November of 2020. We had one back here in October 2020, and we had some down here. So generally, we could see from this holy grail pattern, as in this case, there is movement, right? So that's what we're trying to accomplish. We're trying to take these particular patterns and we're trying to use them to get movement so we can make money through either options or shares. All right. So now what we're doing, guys, is we're using those patterns for an edge. And what we're going to do, guys, this is the concept that I created. We're going to drill down at the open using the 3-minute, the 5-minute, and the 15-minute chart in order to get involved in the trade. So I'm going to go here to AMD and I have a daily chart pulled up with one of my inside bar patterns back from the 15th of November. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about when I'm talking about those trades. So I'm going to use the market replay feature here on Tradingview. So in this case, guys, one of the ways that I enter on the 5-minute chart is using a trigger trade. So with the trigger trade, guys, the white line is our long, the red is our stop, and the other white line down here is our entry short. So let's go ahead and replay this market. And let me show you how this plays out. So the first thing that we do here, guys, is we're not going to get filled until this white line breaks. All right. So boom, here we go. White line gets filled. We're in the trade. We take a little bit of heat. Okay. And then from there, guys, boom, we take off. Beautiful money here. So I remember the calls at least doubled on this day. Back on the 16th of November. It was a great trade. So these are the things that I'm looking at, guys. I'm also looking at other setups such as like the opening range breakout. So you could see here, here's the first 5-minute bar, opening range breakout, taking the break above the high, stop below the low. That was also a beautiful winner. And this, guys, is what I call the drill down method. So what we're doing is we're starting off, we're finding those preconditions, those patterns that have an edge. Then we're going to drill down at the open on the 3, 5, and 15. And we're going to look for specific patterns, opening range breakouts, fractal trades, trigger trades. And we're going to take those trades and with good risk reward, we're going to try and make some money. All right. So I explain all of these concepts here, guys, in my book. So right here under options trading, I wrote a big book here, guys, over 75 charts. You get all of my advanced indicators. So the Nirvana indicator, you get that for free for lifetime. Excuse me, I just have to cough there. And then here's the table of contents, guys. Basically 70 pages. I break it all down. I talk to you about how to drill down at the open, and I have some videos here for you to watch. So I think it's a pretty good deal. Anybody that buys the book gets 1 month for free in any of my services. So I think it's great. All right. And just to show you guys also in the Discord, this is what I do. So for those same picks that I show you guys, I post trade plans every single day. So as an example, let's take a look at this. So these are exact entry stops and targets plus the options that you can play. And these I post the night before. So what you can do with these, guys, you can fully automate your trades, meaning you can go into the broker, you can put good till cancel, bracket orders, conditional orders for the options, and you can actually just automate these trades. So you don't have to stare at the screen all day, etc. So I do a lot of automation, especially in my swing trades. And I think it's the way of the future. So definitely, guys, check out the automation style of trading. I think it'll help you, especially a lot of you that are very, very busy. All right. So as always, guys, check me out at tradingwars.com if you're interested. Like I said, the book, it's amazing, and the drill down. So that's what I'm looking for. So on Monday, we're going to drill down on the 5-minute chart on AMD and start looking for those plays, the triggers, the orbs, the fractals, okay? And also the Fibonacci, which is a more advanced topic, so I won't discuss here. All right, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate you guys. That's what I do, guys. So I drill down at the open once I have a precondition, and then from there, we look for great setups. Thank you very much for your time. Take care.